In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Path of Exile 2 freezing in loading screen. What you need to do first is find the game on Steam, then you want to right click on it and head to Properties. After that, go to Installed Files and make sure you verify integrity of the game files. After you've done that, press on Browse or find the logo on your desktop, and then you want to go and find so if you press Browse, there will be an exe file for your Path of Exiles. But if you have it on a desktop, that works as well. So find it, right click, Properties, Compatibility, and then you want to activate these two. Once you've done that, press Apply and OK, and then see if it works. If it still doesn't work, check this one and select Windows 8, Apply and OK. Now, if none of these work, what you can do is you can try and reinstall the game and see if that fixes the issue. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.